Hi everyone, hope everybody's doing wonderful. So today I wanted to look at the chart of XRP. It has been on a very strong up move since last couple of weeks, and everybody is asking how high it can go. So let's just look at the chart and see how it performed before, and based on that we can kind of analyze how it can do during this bull run. Let me switch my screen. So this is the chart of the XRP, and this chart goes all the way back to 2013. XRP was released in 2012, but this chart goes almost to the time when XRP was released. So on this chart there's two big baseline levels. The first level goes all the way back to the release date of the XRP in 2012 and goes to 2017 when there was the first major run of the XRP. During the 2013 cycle, we saw initial pop, but it was about like 15x move, and then it stayed kind of that baseline level for about 4 years before it started doing something more, something bigger. And then during the 2017-2018 bull cycle, what happened is XRP did about 500x. So it moved from half a penny all the way to almost $3. So this goes a little higher than $3, but it was actually some liquidity problem on one of the exchanges, so you could not actually sell XRP for this price. The height was a little less than $3. So that was over 500x move, almost 600x. And then after it crashed, it stayed around this 20 cents to kind of 50 cents for like since 2018 all the way to like 2024, so 6 years. During our 2021 bull cycle, what happened is SEC, Security and Exchange Commission, filed a lawsuit against Ripple Labs, and that is why a lot of investors kind of shied away from XRP. Of course, serious investors with serious money and institutions would not look into buying something that has problems with the US government. That's why XRP struggled for such a long time. That's why it missed the bull run of 2021. So we're kind of not going to consider that. And we can also see that if we connect the height of 2018 and the height of 2021, we kind of get a big downsloping trend line. And with this upsloping trend line that connects all the lows, we're going to receive a very long 6-year period, kind of like a wedge pattern, and now it's kind of breaking up. So the question is how high it will go, and the answer to that question is there's no way to know. Nobody's going to tell you how high it's going to go. If somebody tells you, then that is just speculation, okay? But we can assume how high it can go based on the previous cycles. And usually the charts of this type of volatile assets, they tend to trade in cycles, okay? So we can look at our first major bull run that was in 2017-2018, and we see that we had the first kind of large up move that went If we compare it to the all-time high before that in 2013, that was about 5 cents, and this high was around 40 cents. So we talk about 8 times higher than previous all-time high. That was our initial move. Then it did some sideways move for a few months. It was from May to December, and then after that it did that crazy final run up before the crash. So if we are to speculate that this cycle is going to be something like that, we probably going to consider that this was our previous level that we're never going to see, and we're probably going to establish a new baseline somewhere up high. So our first move up, if this move was 8 times higher than the previous all-time high, I don't know if this will go 8 times higher than $3. That would go to $24. I don't know if it will go that high. We can always assume that the more bull cycles we have, the lesser of a move we have. One of the things is we just need more liquidity to move the asset. So we can assume that, let's say, it's going to be half of that move. So we can say that this trend will continue up to about $10, which is reasonable to assume, and then it's gonna do some sideways move for a little bit, and then it's gonna do that final run up, which can bring us to maybe $100, which would be 200x from the low. It might go higher than that, might go lower than that. There is just, again, there's no way to know. If you ask me if the XRP will do 500x during this bull run, I don't think so. I think it will go a little lower than that, but I think it definitely can reach the level above $100. But again, it's just speculation. So the only way to know is just wait and see. I am still invested in XRP. I don't have any plans to sell just yet. I think this still has a lot of room to go, and we're just the very beginning. Also, I can tell you that the volume and the strength of this up move is very strong. There's a lot of serious money coming in, and usually when we see such strong up move, especially after a very long like a 6-year sideways move, we're probably gonna see a very huge increase in price. Okay, alright guys, so this is my analysis on XRP. If you like it, please drop a like. Please remember that none of this is a financial advice, so you have to do your own due diligence and your own analysis, and please remember that you can only invest money that you can afford to lose, because investments are very unpredictable. Alright guys, I hope that you're gonna enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video.